Hi, my name is Kristen Magill, and I completed the short-term training program at Georgia Northwestern Technical College with the Youth Success Academy, and here's my story. I come from a family of welders, so I guess you could say it's in the blood. My dad and a few of my cousins, and also my grandfather, were all welders. I think I'm so attracted to welding because I think it's fascinating how you can just get two pieces of metal and mend them together and create something that is just so useful in this world. The YSA short-term training program was only a 4-week program, and in that time I was able to get certified in MIG and TIG. I completed the short-term training program and got certified in MIG and TIG, and I wanted to further my education, and so I enrolled into the welding program at GNTC. I needed help with financial aid, and the YSA gave me the resources on the documents that I needed, and I was able to finally complete the financial aid that I needed to. After completing the certification program, YSA has continued to provide me with any help that is needed.